The cab sailor and the monkey. Once there was a man who sold cabs. He carried many cabs in a basket on his head. He was a cab sailor. One day he slept under a tree. There were monkeys on the tree. They came down from the tree. They took away all the cabs. The cab sailor woke up. He saw the basket was empty. He looked around and above. The monkeys were wearing his cap. The cab sailor shook his fist at the monkey. They also did the same. The cab sailor scratched his head. The monkey did the same. The cab sailor had an idea. He took off his cap and threw it into the empty basket. The monkey also did the same. The cab sailor got all his cap back and went away happily.